In the late 1990s, Google transformed how we search for information, putting the world's knowledge at our fingertips. Fast forward to today, and Google is once again on the brink of a technological leap, this time with Google Gemini. This isn't just another smart assistant, it's a game changer that's set to redefine how we interact with technology. Imagine a world where your assistant knows you better than you know yourself, predicting your needs before you even think of them. Google Gemini is not just the next step in AI, it's the future of smart assistants. Curious to see what's coming next? Let's explore. Google Gemini isn't just another smart assistant, it's a leap forward in how technology can integrate into our daily lives. Let's break down what makes Gemini so revolutionary. First, it's designed to be more intuitive and personal than any assistant we've seen before. Google has spent years refining its AI, and Gemini is the culmination of this work. It's not just about answering questions or setting reminders. Gemini is about understanding your habits, preferences, and even anticipating your needs. For example, imagine you're driving home from work. Gemini knows your usual route, but also knows there's heavy traffic today. Without you asking, it suggests an alternative route that will save you time. It's more than just helpful. It's like having a co-pilot who's always a step ahead. But Gemini doesn't stop there. It's also about seamless integration across all your devices. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or smart speaker, Gemini is right there with you, ensuring that you get consistent, accurate responses no matter where you are. This isn't just convenient, it's transformative. It means that whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, your smart assistant is always in sync with your life. One of the most exciting aspects of Google Gemini is its ability to learn and evolve. Traditional smart assistants rely heavily on commands and preset responses, but Gemini is different. It uses advanced machine learning to understand context, tone, and even your mood. Let's say you usually ask for a weather update in the morning. Gemini won't just give you the forecast, it will also suggest what to wear based on the weather and your schedule for the day. Over time, it learns when you like to exercise, what you like to eat, and even how you like to relax, offering suggestions that feel less like AI and more like a personal concierge. Privacy is another key feature that Google has focused on with Gemini. With growing concerns about data security, Google has built Gemini to operate with the highest levels of privacy and security. It processes much of its data on device, meaning your personal information isn't constantly being sent back and forth to the cloud. This ensures that while Gemini gets to know you better, your data stays safe and secure. Another standout feature of Google Gemini is its voice recognition capabilities. Unlike older systems that struggled with accents or background noise, Gemini is designed to be far more accurate and reliable. It can understand you even in noisy environments and can distinguish between different voices in the household. This makes it more than just a personal assistant. It's a family assistant that can cater to everyone's needs. So, what does this mean for the future? With Google Gemini, the way we interact with technology is set to change dramatically. It's not just about commands and responses anymore. It's about creating a truly personalized experience. Whether you're managing your work, your home, or your leisure time, Gemini is there to make everything smoother and more connected. Imagine a world where your smart assistant helps you plan a dinner party, complete with recipe suggestions based on what's in your fridge, music recommendations that match the mood, and even reminders to water your plants before guests arrive. That's the power of Google Gemini, transforming everyday tasks into effortless experiences. Let's not forget that Google Gemini isn't just about what it can do today. It's about where it's heading tomorrow. As AI continues to advance, Gemini will become even more attuned to your needs, making it an essential part of your daily routine. Future updates could see Gemini integrating with more third-party apps, becoming even more versatile and capable. From managing your health to enhancing your productivity, the possibilities are endless. Google Gemini is not just keeping up with the times, it's setting the pace for what's to come. Are you ready to embrace the future? But beyond the day-to-day, Gemini represents a shift towards a more integrated, AI-driven future. As more devices become compatible with Gemini, we'll see a world where your smart assistant isn't just a tool, but a central part of your digital ecosystem. From managing your smart home to coordinating your work schedule, Google Gemini is set to become an indispensable part of modern life. Google Gemini is more than just a smart assistant. It's the next evolution in AI. With its ability to learn, adapt, and seamlessly integrate into your life, Gemini is poised to change the way we live and work. As we move into this new era of smart assistants, one thing is clear: the future is here and Google Gemini is leading the way. If you're excited about what Google Gemini has to offer, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with others who are curious about the future of smart assistants. What feature of Gemini are you most looking forward to? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest tech trends and innovations, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. The future is unfolding fast, and you won't want to miss it.